Hi, Marshie here, bringing you information about scams. And some of these you might have been affected by, or someone has attempted to try and scam you this way. But we have to come together as a community and make sure that we get this information out. So please share, like these videos on scammers, because I am all about bringing you tips, tricks, and hacks for your business and personal life to make life better for you. So, uh, what we're talking about today is remote access scams. Now, if this is your first time to come to my channel and visit, welcome. Okay. I'm the author of Grandparent Memories from the Heart and 13 Interactive Challenges to Self-Discovery. You can find those links below. I also do self-discovery groups, and I'm a speaker. So if you need someone that's engaging and can get the crowd moving, call me up because I can do the job for you. Okay. Um, Now, I am not a technical person, okay? And I could fall easily into this one, which is remote access scam. And I've had people try and do this to me. And you're so tempted to push the button, okay? I'm telling you, do not push that button because they'll wipe your computer clean, all right? So, remote access scam, what is it? Scammers will claim to be with technical support and convince victims to install remote access software to fix your computer, which is non-existent problems. Initial contact might happen from a computer pop-up. So it'll just pop up on your computer. Oh, we detect an error. Oh, something's gone wrong. There's some malicious software on your computer. Or a spoofed number. So a spoofed number means they've called and they're saying, hey, we're technical support, and we see here that your computer is running extremely slow, and we believe that there could be a virus on there. We need to get some access to it so we can do what we want to do. Or they'll say, hey, um, can we have access to your computer? You can be on there too. And then in the background, they're running some software program where they're just stealing everything. Okay? Need to be very, very careful. A lot of times you will see it, it'll look so real, like McF or norovirus or something like that, where it's supposed to be an antivirus program for you and they are kind of impersonating them allegedly, right? But it's not them. And it'll just start flashing up there, warning, warning, and you're going, oh, something's wrong with my computer. I can't be without my computer. I'm in the middle of tax season. Oh my gosh, what am I going to do? And it's happening over a couple of days. And so you're going, oh my word, what do I do? And you push it. And the next thing you know, your computer is running slower and slower and slower. And you're going, I don't know what to do, what's happening. And they've they've scanned your computer and they have access to it. So do not click on the link. Do not engage with the people that call you impersonating technical support. Now, with my Acer, my boo was just making fun of me the other day. My Acer laptop came with a little card with customer support on there with their phone number. and I keep it in the laptop case. And he's like, why do you have that? I said, because if I need it, I'll have it. So I know the number to my technical support. I advise you to do the same thing. You could easily, what is the technical support to your phone, right? Just put a little postie here and put it in the case and be done, right? On your laptop, the number for your technical support. If you are using a software that you're paying for, have that number and reach out to them before pushing any buttons, because if you're technically challenged like me, you should be leery of pushing anything. If it doesn't look right, it probably isn't right. So understand that I had a friend, his wife pushed the button and they stole her identity, and she couldn't get in her computer. If you can't get into your computer, you've got a problem, a big one. So be mindful of things. Be leery of Zoom. This is a bonus tip for you. Zoom calls. Be leery of getting on there and sharing your screen where they can go and do stuff and change how your screen looks, because you don't know. You just don't know. And like me, I'm not technically strong enough to know. And this is why I'm bringing this information. Make sure to like, share, and especially share this with your elders, right? Your aunts, your uncles, your parents, your grandparents, because they might not be aware and they're just used to answering the phone. Okay, Sonny, sure, okay. Or all they do on the computer is play, they might look at their Facebook or maybe play a game, and they don't know, so they push the button. I'm just saying, please like, share, so I can continue to bring you good content. Thanks. Bye bye.